Hey guys, welcome back in the kitchen. Mike here again. It's been a while, and today I wanted to go over a simple dish I'm just doing at home here for Nicole and I, and making my very own chicken meatballs. I really like these ones. They're a nice, cleaner, leaner substitute to actual ground beef meatballs. We're doing it with a vodka sauce, just store-bought, and the dog's barking, of course. Hey, you knock it off down there, Hagrid. And some rigatoni. I think it's gonna be a good dish, so let's watch along. Hope you guys enjoy. This little guy likes to be on camera. Yes, he's quite the popular Instagram model. Hagrid the Doodle. Yep. All right, well, we call him Little Chef because he loves watching all the videos and watching us cook, so we teach him everything how to cook at home. He hasn't made a dish yet, really, but he has a couple that he's helped out and stir some pots. All right, and today we are drinking Caduceus Arizona Vineyard. We're doing the Marzo. It is a nice Sangiovese blend. We're just decanting for about 45 minutes. And of course, today the new Ghost album came out, so why not have some Latin-inspired music? Haha, pretty much. Hey. Do you like Ghost? Yep, he does. All right, so let's get into it real quick. We got our gluten-free breadcrumbs. Italian seasoning, lots of it. I do this little garlic kind of steak blend. Red pepper flake and onion minced. This is the sauce we're using today. I like it. Not much sugar in it. Basically when you do these ingredients, you kind of got to look at what's really in here. There's a couple things I don't like, but like xanthan gum. But the vodka stuff's a little bit different if you're doing store-bought. So normal red sauce, we just try to stick to 4 or 5 ingredients, and that's it. So let's get in. We're gonna make the meatballs. We've got just the 98% fat-free ground chicken, and we do 1 egg with this. All right, this is definitely a must. It gives it more of a meatier taste. So we've got everything just sitting in here. Breadcrumbs, 1 egg, salt, pepper, garlic, and we have some onion minced, kind of like onion powder, red pepper flake, and Italian seasoning, a lot of it. So definitely want to get the flavors into these meatballs. Obviously, chicken doesn't have a lot of flavor, so definitely don't go cheap on it. And we're gonna mince this up and then throw it in the pan here, low and slow. We add a little bit of water to kind of steam them. So that way they're a little kind of, I don't know, juicier in the middle. I guess I could say that. All right, so we've got them in here. They're not perfect, I don't really care. I call them rustic meatballs, I guess. So little olive oil in the pan, and then we're gonna let them kind of steam a little bit. Slow cook so they just start turning color, and then add the water so they don't fall apart in the water. And that'll get them nice and steamed and not burnt meatballs like a lot of people will get. Yeah, so super easy. I'll show you when they've cooked and show you how they get along. All right, we added the water. You can see the steam working. You can see them starting to turn more of a white color. And then you just kind of roll them around a little bit, and then we drain the water and just put the sauce and basically just marinate them in there for like 30 minutes. And that's about it. We're gonna get this, we just got this just slow simmering, and then we'll add it when we're kind of ready with everything. All right, there it is, meatballs. Rigatoni with the vodka sauce and the Caduceus Marzo. All right, guys, cheers. Thanks for tuning in. We're gonna dig in.